Students and teachers can access the comprehensive math content available in the Lost Function online. To access the Lost Function online learning content, click on the Login link at the top right of the AT&LT homepage. After you log in, click on the Launch Application link under Online Learning Content in the Product Links box to access all the Lost Function math assessments, instruction, and practice materials. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see two learning content sections. Assessments are up top, and the lessons, videos, and practice problems are at the bottom. The assessments are equivalent to the mysterious math problems in the game The Lost Function. To work through a set of assessment problems for a particular skill, simply click on the math topic, identify the math skill you would like to be assessed on, and click on the Begin button next to that skill. When completing the assessment problems, if you need help at any time, you can click on the Need Help button in the upper right corner of the assessment problem. This will take you to the related learning content in the Lessons, Videos, and Practice section of the online learning content. After you have completed a related reading, video, or practice problem, you can click on the Back to Recommendations button to navigate back to the recommended learning content. When you are finished getting the help you need, you can click on the Back to Assessment button in the upper right corner of the screen to take you back to the assessment questions. When doing the assessment questions, if you get less than 80% correct, the tutor will intervene and you will be taken to the recommended learning content similar to clicking on the Need Help button. After you finish a set of assessment questions, a green check mark will appear next to the set of assessment questions you have completed successfully. Continue this process to complete the assessment questions. If you would like to use the instructional and guided practice materials for a specific math skill or topic, you can access them under the Lessons, Videos, and Practice section in the left sidebar on the page. Simply click on a math topic, click on the desired math skill, and choose to watch a video lesson, read a narrative lesson, or do practice problems for the chosen math skill. As you complete the different assessment problems in the online learning content, you will be able to review your progress through your personalized performance report. To access the online reporting tool, click on the AT&LT logo to navigate to the home page and log into your account by clicking on the Login link in the upper right corner of the home page. A teacher can access student and class performance reports by logging into the teacher portal. To learn more about accessing the teacher portal, see the video on the support page titled Accessing Class Reports. After logging in, to access the individual performance report, click on the link above the Product Links box that says Reporting, and then click on the link that says Pi and the Lost Function Episode 1 Summary under My Reports to bring up the reporting tool. Locate the math skill in the chart, and you'll be able to see how you performed in the assessment questions based on the color of the cell. Blue means you passed the assessment with 0 tutor interventions. Green means you passed with no more than 2 tutor interventions. Yellow means you passed with 3 or more tutor interventions, and gray means the assessment is still in progress or not passed. In each cell, you will see 2 numbers. The first number is the number of times the tutor intervened during the assessment problems. The second number is the number of times that the student voluntarily asked for help during the assessment problems. This information will be helpful for a student to determine where they were struggling if they wish to go back to review any topics. Because data from both the game and the online learning content is represented in the reporting tool, only the most recent completion of the assessment problems, whether online or in the game, will be shown. For further help with the Lost Function, visit the support page by clicking on the support link at the top of the home page or by emailing support@atltgames.com.